You saw apple in my family and you came to pluck it.
Yes, that's right.
I don't know the apple you are talking about, though. Oh, my daughter?
Yes.
Come on. Stand up. You know the apple with this?
Mama Nadia?
Yeah, go pluck him.
Something will kill a man.
Mama, I cannot pluck it.
You cannot pluck it. Yes. Now you know that you cannot pluck it.
Yes.
Oh yeah, they go your mama house. When you grow, you come back here.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, this is just gonna be quick because me, I know too well like this, you understand? So I'm just going to be very, very quick. I'm not vexed if I not to really react, you understand? Because I'm so tired right now. You feel me? So, but all the same, I'm gonna make sure I give you guys the best. That is just it. So, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's see one goes to.
God have mercy upon us.
Now let's go.
They don't they carry woman babe. Why you gonna hit him now?
Let me tell you something. Get over here.
My imagination says.
Let me tell you something.
Let me
tell you something.
Imagination. When your babe's friend catches you with another girl. Okay.
Run.
We go explain.
Evidence by elements in this room I can speak of. And by all the sediment I left up in your speaker. I know I'm stuck in your dome. Like
let me go! So you're just not my best friend.
No, you don't understand. You just delivery girl that came to deliver my Temu package.
Put your phone inside the VRO glasses that Temu gave me as gifts. Then you can use here to adjust it back and forth to the perfect.
download the Temu app. Use my promo code DWA5524 to get these products and other amazing products for free. Only for new users with qualifying orders.
So you see, I'm not cheating on your best friends.
Okay.
Hey!
Shit.
Oh my God! Yes!
Download Temu now.
Voila. Yeah, I don't enter another one. This one get yash. This one yash small.
So please take me out of here.
You're right.
What is it? Let's go. Take me out. Hurry, let's go. I'm sorry. I don't want to listen to you. Please, let's go. Please.
Hello. What's going on? What's the problem,
Thank you very much, sir. Can you imagine? This stupid boy, I caught him cheating on me. Please take me out of here. I don't want to listen to you.
Wait, young man. What is your problem now? You are cheating on somebody like this. What's wrong with you? Oh, the back one, what's your problem? Bring your head.
You are not okay. What's your problem? You have somebody like this and you are still cheating on her. What's your problem now?
Please, sir, I will do anything. Baby, let me send you some money.
It's not about money. I don't need your money. Sir, please take me out of here.
Let me talk to her. Please, I love her. Please let me talk to her, sir.
That's okay. I'm going to talk to her. What about anything? You wanted to send her money?
Yes, sir.
She will not take it. If I was her too, I would not take that money. Do you need this money?
Not at all.
But this is what we'll do. Send it to my OP account number. Once we get to our destination, I'm going to talk to her. She will take the money. Don't worry.
Okay. Are you sure?
I'm sure. Now, will I be lying? You are cheating. You still asking me if I'm sure.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir. Sir, please call the account.
OP. Okay. 224426.
Scope.
That's my name, huh? That's my name.
I'll send you 200,000 naira.
Okay. God bless you,
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Baby, please.
No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll talk to her. What I say? You two calm down. What? I know.
If I hear, say send that. If I hear.
Thank you so much.
10,000 naira for the ride. Are you open?
Okay. Take the 10,000 naira from the 200k my boyfriend sent to you. Then send me 190k.
Are you okay? Are you sick in there? When you're not here when you're angry, you said you don't want his money. You don't want his money. Me that need the money. I took the money now. I don't understand.
Don't tell me that nonsense. What's the meaning of this? Don't even allow me to start shouting here. Send me my balance. Take your money, please.
Excuse me. Who is doing nonsense?
You.
Are you okay? Somebody want to go back by now. Am I your mate? Are you might want to give a slap? Are you mad?
Try it now. Slap me. Let me see. Send me my money, please.
Okay, come and collect it now. What do you want to do? Come and collect it.
I'll call my boys. I'll call your boys.
Call your boys now. Where are you going?
Where are you going to?
You are not okay.
Okay, come and give my money.
Which money? Come
and send me my money.
That's for punish.
You don't want collect. Another person collects. Like, don't
Whizzy, hey, I don't bring as a man go help you collect that money where you say your uncle wants send for you for abroad.
You don't late. I come my uncle house, so he already give me cash, so no need. And they go book his side, I won't go change him.
Baba, change your mind. I'm booking na your friend, me, na your guy I be. Bring it for me.
They change money offline too.
Baba, listen to me. My house I be like bossa. You don't get stressed. No matter how weather dry, what we go drink na pricky day. Give me this dinner.
Yeah, man. Change him.
You go carry 30%.
Baba, put your naira answer. Whizzy.
Now the name be that.
I don't send and confirm am.
No now. My money not complete now.
Baba, me I don't collect my 30%.
You don't even say they collect percentage now.
Whizzy, I go bring as a man all the way from Port Harcourt come Lagos and then go collect percentage for transaction. Now what for you?
If I collect percentage, then go collect the 30%.
Baba, listen to me. This street be like church. You know the favor I be no because I don't feel pray for brighter days. Maybe stress maybe for capital year. Promo they come up for year.
Nice lines. Thank God, not the fake dollar I give them.
Na fake dollar give us.
Na fake transfer me I do for them.
Fake dollar, fake transfer. This one I better go. My God.
Crazy guys.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma. Hi. Please, what can I get for you?
Get me meat pie and hot water.
What can I get for you?
I'll have 3 portions of jollof rice and turkey. And let me have 5 more plates for my cousins at home.
Anything else?
Do you guys have cold 5 alive?
Yes, ma'am. Very cool.
All right, add 5 alive.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Why are you going to
Why is she giving us attitude? Is this how their staff here behaves?
That girl, she's the one I'm supposed to date before you.
Are you serious?
I brought her here on a date. She ended up ordering what she could not pay for. That's how she started working here. I'm this kind of 50 guy. You pay for your bill, I pay for my bill.
Do for me?
You don't let it us for it.
Waiter, please come.
Should I change mine?
Sorry, any problem, ma? I don't think I'm hungry anymore to cancel all my orders.
I'm sorry, ma. It's not possible. I've already placed the order.
Hey!
So why are you here?
Mama, there's this one beautiful apple I saw in your family.
Okay.
Mama, do you know what? I came to pluck it.
Okay. You saw apple in my family and you came to pluck it?
Yes, that's right.
I don't know the apple you are talking about. Oh, my daughter?
Okay. Yes.
Come mommy. Stand up. You know the apple be this?
Mama, Nadia?
Yeah, go pluck him.
Something will kill a man.
I cannot plug it.
You cannot plug it. Now you know that you cannot plug it.
Yes.
But yeah, they go your mama house. When you grow, you come back here.
Worry? Enter.
How much?
Just enter. Okay, they go.
Just go Lagos, but I go like advertise for your motor.
No problem, just hold your change.
Oh, your change.
Watch out, elders. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm
Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. You might be meeting me for the first time, but I'm a renowned professor. My name is Nduka. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm a book writer. I'm a philanthropist and a renowned author. As a matter of fact, I have written over 2,000 books. You can make a research. I hold the record for the author with the highest sales in Africa. I have written books that have shaped the economies. Having survived from the 1st of January last year to the 31st of December last year, I was able to put into writing the factors that enabled me not to die last year. And I came up with a book that is titled I Not Die Last Year. If you use this book, it's going to teach you the principles of staying alive in Nigeria, no matter the challenges.
Oga, how much will that book sell?
Good. This book is selling for as low as 7,000 naira. Trust me, if you spend 7,000 this year, you will not die this year.
Okay, now this book you survived last year.
Young man, this book was all I needed to scale through the factors and the boundaries and the rudiments that affects Nigeria. Madam, just open to number 1 of this book. Okay. At the chapter 1 of this book, it is written, mind your business. Somebody repeat after me. No put mouth for what you know concern you.
No put mouth for what you know concern you.
Repeat after me. No put mouth for what you know concern you.
No put mouth for what you know concern you.
So if you go through number 1 of this book, you understand that in Nigeria, you shouldn't put mouth to what is not your business. If you see police, no put your mouth. If you see video and post,
no put your mouth.
If you see happy they talk,
no put your mouth.
Chief Priest and Bonaba get issue,
no put your mouth.
If you can mind your business this year, I can tell you from this book that you will not die this year. Because not minding your business address enemy towards your dwelling. You know go visit 2 elephants they fight, you will be ants they put mad. You know go visit 2 police they fight, you will be civilian they put mad. If you can remove your mouth from things that are none of your business, you are going to survive this year. That was one of the things I did that enabled me not to die last year. The number 2 in this book. Bros, wait on the fight.
Don't put your mouth.
I'm an advocate of peace. I need I see violence. Let me stop the fight. Please, I'm coming. I'm coming. No, it's okay now. You people shouldn't be fighting. Violence is not the answer now.
Oh! What's the what are you now? Just for my shot.
Oh, nothing.
Come on, Yoga.
Okay, get up from here.
Sorry, man, I know best. Conductor! Bros, now I say my go separate from you, go they leave me.
Okay, but we don't get time for that nonsense. Back to cruise very soon.
Bros, will they go Lagos and they leave me for
If they're not going to say book on the read.
Bros, what if I die here now?
As no that last year, if you die this year.
Hey! I'm gonna read your book. Hey! Jesus Christ.
I don't go comment for fight when you concern me. How long does it take to trek down to Lagos from Motel? How long?
It will take 2 days. On foot.
We'll go on handicap.
Bros!
You know, enter your head, Abi. Ima, you calm down now. Calm down for what? Come on, let's go.
God have mercy upon us.
If you move, if you move, the kind thing I go do you.
One man begin.
What if the meaning of this thing?
What's happen?
You know what you do? They talk fast.
Maybe I do anything.
Yes, talk.
What am I young?
How go send my small sister message? You stop her for road. You give her 100 5. You then send her plenty money. You want to deceive her a bit. Okay, give me my 1,000, Jare.
It might not be so. No be so.
Give me my 1,000. A good turn deserves another.
They threaten me. They threaten me.
Try get sense. Try get sense. This money, big pass that money.
Hey!
Nadri, I know say I'm not gonna make this mistake for real life.
What?
Let's have it.
But yeah, you okay? How go give you 1,000 naira note where you go buy something for me? You reach road, then go change and give
this one.
But then will you close down your mouth or see something? You don't know say that 1,000 naira note I give you. Plenty pass this 100 naira 5 for them back give you.
Try when this Ima go get
Alright, beautiful single ladies. Let the single guy reveal himself. Hey! What did this?
My guy, wrong. They don't like him at all.
So, baby, he shock you, babe.
How it started.
See you later. Bye bye. What you don't know?
You ain't go play. Don't worry. You go cry.
Hello, baby girl. Na Festus. See, you know, say we don't date for like 2 months now. You know, go try me. Come know where they stay. Yes, I stay alone. Oh yeah, I know. Go wait.
Madam, what happened? Now this bike just started to go back. No, I forget something. God bless you, please. Madam, calm down. You get where you dey go. You don't pay me. I won't go where I get to go, madam. Okay, you don't know me.
Who are you? Idiot.
You know what?
Let's have it.
Anything what she dey pay you, I go pay you double. Madam, calm down.
Madam, it be like you go calm down.
See this one, they play. Okay, I will pay you 3 times of it.
Madam, you come sit down with that.
I don't want wahala.
Madam, I beg. I just gonna beg you. Now very urgent matter, eh? Even if I just sit down for this back. The person back you want enter.
I'm a wicked man, and I want to show you see the wicked person.
Thank you. Thank you, your friend.
They know be fine now.
Man.
Your cup don't fool na make.
Hey!
This man.
Hey!
So stay there wrong. Now like this person will stay there wrong.
Yes? Bros, I beg, no vex. Some people, they pursue me. I don't know if I feel had this your motor, I beg. They pursue you. Thank you, bro. God bless you, sir.
Yeah, mama. Okay.
Dissolve!
Chairman, see the guy who.
Welcome. Now my car be this. And this my boys.
Bros, no vex, I beg. Now, when I want to sell my Bitcoin, now I be the fine. But my hand come mistakenly collect your phone, I beg. No vex.
Don't worry. As you mistakenly collect my phone, we self will go mistakenly sell your Bitcoin, choke money for pocket. Equation balance.
My brother, trade down, we not get time. You never hear of father exchange? They buy all type of gift card. If na go play you get, they buy them. Steam card, they buy them. They buy iTunes. Even that Bitcoin now, when they say you want trade, so they buy them. They very fast and reliable. When you trade with them now, instantly they go wire your money. Trade with them now, as they look you like this. Trade. Fast.
You don't get anything to trade, no mind now. 5 minutes later.
Bros, I don't trade my Bitcoin, send on the money. I feel they go now.
Now get down from my car.
Dissolve!
Jesus.
Jesus.
How you go skip home? Go to enter person car.
You know say you don't get sense. I don't tell you this thing before. You know they never get sense.
This
I go into you want to like this head, you know like I hear. I go come out town. Let's say the Chris.
Huh?
Boy.
I pour you spit.
I pour you spit. Because let's assume I don't pour you this spit now. In the nearest future, you gonna pour me back.
Today, we are going to liberate this family. Everybody stick together. Stick together. Stick together. La 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 la. La 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 la. Stick together. La 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 la.
Sister Pinky. Sister Pinky. Stick together now.
She must be in the spirit. She must be in the spirit.
Stick together.
Boss, man, turn around, man.
I give I want to read, man. My body flashing on it, feet. You feel the person with your ear. I give I
Madam, that's some Bible for me.
No be you order for food.
No, I no order for food though.
This man, what you can find for this place? Every day go come here. You go stay 3 hours. You not go buy anything. I dey watch you. Even like say you be thief. I dey watch you.
But I want to be like I be.
You be thief.
Why you go there? I don't thief your team before. Then I only thief. If I only thief you serve, don't give me. If not to serve me, I will grease up with thief. By serving of tea.
I said the baby is tired of walking. The baby is tired of walking. She won't take car.
You know one of my
cousins. Oh, you are causing for me now, Why would you tell me I'm stressing you? The baby wants a car. Look for the buy. I said the baby wants a Mercedes Benz or that 350 GLK, the white one. I say I want it to be here in less than 1 month. 1 month? Yes, now.
How am I supposed to bring a car to Nigeria in 1 month?
Madam, tell her now, make him buy them from more autos now.
More autos?
Yes, now. More autos now, then be the best car dealer where we say that if you ship motor from overseas reach Nigeria within 4 weeks.
You dey make come follow the man talk.
Especially that luxury motor where you call that Mercedes
Benz.
Then GLK. So
GLK 350.
They go carry on.
My husband, you don't hear.
GLK
More autos got you covered. Just order from them. Just order from them.
I get it.
This man,
At least this better information supposed to come with better goodish now. At least me person see something chop.
Not true. Order what you want.
Mama, bring me that food.
Baby, my salary, I want to marry.
Madam, what happened? You never pay for the food though.
Food? Did I order for anybody? Madam, did I ask you to give anybody food? No.
Madam, yes. You talk say make a collect food now.
Let's have it.
No, maybe it's the baby. I'm very sorry. It's the baby. You know what will happen now? When I born this pikin finish, if the pikin can't grow,
are you serious?
Come pay for the debt. Oh?
Wow.
Enjoy. Oh? Okay. Okay, don't chop finish.
Yeah, pay me my
Finish. No, it still remains. If you just keep them, I don't feel like eating again.
You dey Chris.
Yes.
That's one time.
Give me. Hold up.
Dissolve! Can you imagine?
Yo, give me a my job. I love for your head. Go upstairs. Put in love. Yo!
My lord.
Pluto.
This one is my secondary school teacher. This is my lecturer. They are today the same. When I did secondary school, my teacher tell me say when you get to higher institution, they will teach you further maths. As they teach, go say, I can't go into further maths to no understand now. When you get to higher institution, they'll teach you further maths. When I come reach higher institution, now my lecturer they tell me say, I believe they've taught you further maths in your secondary school. So now, I know they be doing the further maths, I don't know who's supposed to teach me. So maybe I could tell me who's supposed to teach me.
So young man, who is supposed to teach this man further maths?
Now so they do me too.
Hey!
That's what they do me too.
Hey! They do me this thing,
They do me too.
I swear to God, they do me this thing.
My Lord, how will God do?
Now God will judge this man.
Are you there now? No greet me, no greet me. Help me play my uncle to pack person sand today over 2.5. Use 500,000 naira play.
Mazi, 500k.
Sharp. Yeah, you said people are moving.
No, you know they do that one.
No wahala.
My uncle to pass somebody.
I'm rushing. I just won a big contract. 100 million naira. So I'm rushing to go and sign the remaining papers.
Congratulations. Thank you. You don't enter. Now use all the money while I win here now. Use and play my auntie to strike person thunder today. If you stay here, don't tire you. Follow me play over 5.8. Now show odd.
Limau. You see that teacher will flog you. If you don't come easy and flog them. You're not born away, go down.
Okay. Have a guy give me lighter. Hello, Mr. Principal.
Master.
Charge your call. Maybe that.
I've told you to download ZP on Apple Store, Play Store. You can use to buy cheap data or airtime. You can use to pay your electricity bills and other bills. You can also use for all the transactions. Exactly, sir.
Jesus!
Hey!
Jesus!
Hey! You go carry
what happened to your brother? My brother?
Junior brother. This guy don't figure sense again, I know. Like, I shall not say he go miss her, but I wasn't expecting it to be someone else, like his younger brother or a fellow albino. You understand? This guy no get sense. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video, guys? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please, like I always tell you guys, do not forget to check out my other video, because I get them bundle by bundle. You understand? So many interesting videos. They're right on my channel. Check them out. You're going to see them one. You understand? Check them out and subscribe if you're yet to do that, my people. Please subscribe. It's very necessary for the growth of my channel. And share my video as well. So, see you in the next one, guys. Love and peace.